This video will guide you through optimizing Google Scholar settings and downloading the LibKey Nomad browser extension. These two features will help you when you are searching for online articles and journals to ensure you can view literature for free using Goldsmith subscriptions to publishers and databases. These steps take no more than 2 minutes each, so it is worth completing them before you begin your research. Firstly, visit scholar.google.com. This is a search engine which indexes a wide range of academic literature. Click on the menu button in the left-hand corner. Click on Settings. Then click on Library Links and search for Goldsmiths into the search bar. Two options will come up and you need to tick both options and click Save. When you now search using Google Scholar, you will notice Find at Gold or Goldsmith ProQuest text will be visible on the right-hand side of the article description. This is an easy way to access articles within the Goldsmiths collection for free without using the catalogue to search. Next, visit thirdiron.com/download Nomad or search for LibKey Nomad in your browser. LibKey Nomad is a browser extension that looks at both Goldsmith subscribed journal holdings and open access resources, and then flags when full text PDFs are available for free. Please note it is only available on desktop browsers and not on mobile browsers. To download, choose your preferred browser to get started. In this example, I am using Edge. Click the Get button and Add Extension button. You will then be directed to select your organization. You can search for Goldsmiths. LibKey Nomad is now activated and will show any available PDFs on article pages, Google Scholar, and other search engines. You will usually see a pop-up in the left-hand corner of any articles available using LibKey Nomad. If you require further support with your research, writing, or referencing, please contact your subject librarian who will be happy to help you.